Unlock the power of AI to supercharge your coding workflow directly within Vscode. First things first, let's get DeepSeek installed in your Visual Studio Code. Open up Vscode, and on the left-hand sidebar, locate and click on the extensions icon. It looks like 4 little squares. Once the extensions view is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type DeepSeek into this search bar. You should see the official DeepSeek extension appear. Click on it to view its details, and then click the readily available Install button. Vscode will handle everything else. After the installation is complete, you might see a prompt to restart Vscode. It's a good practice to do so to ensure all the new functionalities are loaded correctly. Once Vscode reopens, you'll notice DeepSeek is now integrated and ready. Now for the magic. As you start typing your code, DeepSeek will begin to offer intelligent code completions. It analyzes your context and suggests relevant code snippets, helping you write code faster and more accurately, reducing the need to remember specific syntax. But it doesn't stop at just completions. DeepSeek is also fantastic at error detection as you write. It can proactively identify potential bugs or syntax errors, often providing helpful suggestions on how to fix them right then and there, significantly boosting your code quality. Beyond basic error checking and completion, explore DeepSeek's other AI-driven features. Depending on the extension's current capabilities, you might find it can help you generate documentation, refactor code, or even explain complex code segments, all within your familiar Vscode environment. To manage DeepSeek's behavior, look for its icon or settings, often found in the Vscode status bar at the bottom or within the command palette here. You can usually adjust its sensitivity, enable or disable specific features, and tailor it to your personal coding style, making it an indispensable tool for modern development.